What's up everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today's video we are going to look at everything about Facebook or Meta business site or Facebook Studio. We are going to dive into everything that you need to know to be able to use the Facebook Meta business site to grow your Facebook Instagram audience on the Meta business site. So at the end of this video you'll be able to set up a Meta business site to be able to use the Facebook Meta business. If you have time, you'll be able to connect your business page to your Meta business site and you'll be able to know how your link is used, you'll be able to set up a Meta business site and able to know everything about the Meta business site or how you can use it and make a lot of set the inside the planner and stuff how you can use them rightly and be able to grow your Facebook or your Instagram pages on the Meta business. Create a post and go viral on the Meta business on Facebook and your Instagram page. And at the end or not the least, we will learn or look at how to set up a Facebook ads account and run ads for our business or our page rightly. This is your reason for clicking on this video. Make sure you watch everything to the end. And because of this video is too long, I have a timestamp that you can check out on the description and choose the one that you want to watch on this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel or this is your first time of seeing this channel and make video for our business sense or your presence on social media, clicking on like this Instagram or your Instagram pages on the Meta. What's up everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today's video we are going to look at everything about Facebook or Meta business site or Facebook Studio. We are going to dive into everything that you need to know to be able to use the Facebook Meta business site to grow your Facebook Instagram audience on the Meta business site. So at the end of this video you'll be able to set up a Meta business site account, create a business page if you don't have some. If you have some, you'll be able to connect your business page to the Meta business site and you'll be able to know how to link Facebook page, Instagram page to your Meta business site and able to know everything about the Meta business dashboard, how you can use the tools and make a lot of set the inside the planner and stuff, how you can use them rightly and be able to grow your Facebook or your Instagram pages on the Meta business suite. Create a post and go viral on Meta business suite on the Facebook and your Instagram pages. And at the end or not the least, we will learn or look at how to set up a Facebook ads account and run ads for our business or our page and stuff. This is your reason for clicking on this video. Make sure you watch everything to the end. And because of this video is long, I have a timestamp that you can check out on the description and choose the one that you want to watch about on this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel or this is your first time of seeing this channel, we made video on how to grow your essence or your presence on the social media handles like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube and stuff. So if you're interested in such content, make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video. If I have any question, put it in the comment section. We will come in and answer you. Without wasting much time, let's jump into the board. So the question is, what is Meta Business Suite? Meta Business Suite is a platform or a package that allow us to manage Facebook and Instagram in one place. So it's like a house that contain both Facebook and Instagram tools that will help you run or manage both Facebook and Instagram page at one place. So it's a full package or a full house that help us to optimize our presence on Facebook and Instagram. So to get Meta Business, go to meta.facebook.com or creator.facebook.com. If you enter both of these, it will open Meta for you. So if you check on my screen here, it says Meta Business Suite. Manage your content across Facebook and Instagram from one place. Try it out. So if you enter it, you will see this screen here, right? To be able to access it, you need to make sure you have a Facebook page. If you don't have some, you can create some simple on your Facebook platform. And if you have the page, so we are going to use the Facebook criteria to log into Meta Business Suite. So to do that, come to here, login. Here you are going to enter your login details on Facebook. If you don't have an account, you just sign up on Facebook here and you hit on login. So I have my criteria here. I just click on login to log into my Meta Business. So it's going to take me through the Meta platform. So I've logged into my account. This is my account here. Okay, so you will see my account here. If I hit on it, you see it says log out here. So I've logged into my account. Okay, and they are telling you also manage your account across Facebook and Instagram from this way. So let's hit on try out and see what next. And before you can get access to this dashboard here, you need to make sure you have a page. That's what we need to also make sure you have it. You have a business page, and mostly people says you can turn your Facebook profile into a professional move. You can turn that one on, but you cannot be able to use it on Meta page. Okay, I've turned my profile account here into a business, but if you check here, that is not the one here. I cannot use that one here. So if I check on this side, you cannot see my profile here, meaning I cannot use that profile here. To be able to access all the tools on Meta, you need to also make sure you have a business page that can help you create one for yourself. To do that, let's go to Facebook and create a page. So go to facebook.com. So this is my Facebook page, account here. This is my profile account here. So you will see it here. And to create a page, you come to this side. Okay, if you are on the web or on a Chrome browser on the web, you see it here. And you can access the Meta Business Suite here. If you come to here, we have pages. Hit on page, and if you hit on page, you will see all your pages here. Okay, if you have pages that you have created, you see them here, and you come on create a new page. So if you hit on that create a new page, you can use that one to create a new page. Enter your page name and start and create your page. That's simple like that. And if you are done with that one, then you'll be able to have the full access on Meta Business Suite. And if you create the account and link your page to the account here, the Meta account, this is how the account will look. If you have a page on your profile, you have a post on your page, you see all the posts here. Okay, you see all your posts here, and if you check here, you can create. I can create a post here, I can create a reels here, I can create a story, go live, and if I hit on more, I can do a lot of stuff on the day site without using my Facebook page. And if you check here, if you check at this side, we have notification. Someone have sent you a message or note. Okay, if you have any notification there, you go to this side, you can see all the notification. And we have a planner that you can use to plan any program ahead of you that you want to do. You can use the planner to plan all the programs there. You share it to people to see that you have something ahead of you that you want to do, so that they can check it out. And you can create a post for that one, for the planner, so that you can schedule your post using the planner, so that when the time comes, or the time that you have set for your post to be on live, it will go live for you. And we have content, the post that you have created on your page. You can see all your posts here if you click on the content. And we have the insight. We talk more about the insight, right? So the inside talk about how your post, your page and stuff is running, what you need to do and stuff, anything that tells you post that you have created, how your post is going, the followers that you have gained within the week, within the month. You can see all them there. Okay, so you see the post reach, the views and stuff. You will see all of them here. You will see your audience, where your audience are from. So the inside do a lot of stuff. So we come to that one at the end of this video. You get more on that one. And we have the inbox. If someone have messaged you or text you, you will see that one here. We have monetization. The monetization tool also is here, that you can see all of the tools that you can be monetized with and stuff. Okay, you can see your post, your page overview, and you can see a lot of stuff. And we have the ads here. We'll come to that one later. You check here, we have all tools. We'll check that one later. We have edit. You can use that one to edit a lot of stuff about this side. Okay, what you see on this side, you can use that one. So I can take off notification inside here and bring other stars here, so you can do all these stars and edit everything that you want to record to this place here for you. Okay, and we have the search here, we have the settings, and the help to is here. Right, this is the overview, the first screen that you see on the Meta Business. If you open it, you will see them here. Okay, we have this side says the pages here. When I click on that one, you see the pages that have connected to this account. Right, all the pages will show here. Okay, I have some of the pages here. I can click on that one and it will show me the insight or everything about that page here. We have the business asset, also everything there. Right, if I hit on all tools here, all tools give us a lot of stars about our page. So all tools show you everything, or the full view of your page, give you all the tools that you need to use to grow your Instagram or your Facebook audience and stuff. So we have audience here. The first thing is your audience. We have content, inbox, inspirational hubs, lead center, live dashboard and stuff here. That's about the audience. We have the art set here. Okay, so the advert talks about creating an ads, everything that you get about the ads. And we have analytics and report, talks about the analysis of your page. We have product, selling product here, talks about product and e-commerce, monetization and others and stuff. So this one talks about the Facebook shops, everything that goes on the Facebook shop. The managed section, that's for billing, a lot of stuff here. Okay, that you can use it on the Meta Business Suite. So when I click on settings, you see other stuff here. So on settings, if you check it here, it says user. So user, we have page, we have ads account, business asset group, apps, commerce account, Instagram account and stuff. If you want to add page to this site, you need to come to settings, and settings you get full access to add pages to this side. If someone wants you to manage their page for them or be an administrator of their page, you can come to this side. Or you want to add someone to your page to collaborate with you, you can use this side. If you come to the page here, I hit on the page and I want to add a page, I come to this side, I go to add page here. This is where I can add the page, or I can search for the page ID. So if I hit on add page, if an existing page that I want to add, I'll just hit on an existing Facebook page. If I want to request to join someone page, I can request it, or create a new page. You can do that one here. Okay, if you want to create a new page and you don't want to go to the Facebook main page, you can create that page also here. And we have ad account, that one too is for creating an ad. So this is my ad account and I can add a new here. I can add assistants, okay, someone to assist me. I can add a partner to partner with me to be able to set up my page. Okay, so that one also is a good tool that can help you to manage your page and set up your page. Okay, when we get to the advert section, or how to create an ad, or the ads manager, I'll show you more about this side. And if you want to add an account, you can get on add an account and you enter the account, or you want to claim it, you claim it here. And we have this one too, business assets. You also, it's a tools that you can use to create a business asset. We have e-commerce account. Those people who run e-commerce, Shopify and stuff, you can set up your e-commerce account here, or you can add someone account here and help the person grow his or her account, create a puzzles for them, set up their pages and stuff for them. And we have Instagram account. If you want to add your Instagram account, you can add your Instagram account here. All right, you can add Instagram account for you to be able to post from Facebook to Instagram, and within just a simple click right from this side. It also allow you to access all the tools here to be able to know what is going on your Instagram account. We have WhatsApp. To be able to add your WhatsApp account, you need to add a business WhatsApp account. So I added mine, that's here. Okay, if not a business account, you cannot add ordinary WhatsApp account. It's only a business account, WhatsApp account, that you can add here. And we have the catalog and stuff for the data and stuff, that one too, you can check it out. So this is for the overview, how you can add a page, how you can add a link, Instagram account, WhatsApp account. So this is where you can do that one with just one click here. Okay, and we have the catalog and the data also here. So this one, you can add a puzzles. Okay, those people who run a website and stuff, and you want to add a puzzle, you hit on this one, add the puzzles, and it will take you to this site. You see it, or it has view business data asset. You type on, you hit on it, take you to where you can add your website and stuff there. I enter the name or the market and stuff, then I'll just add that one. You can add your domain, that's what your website and stuff here. For just a simple, I just added my website and it has confirmed it for me, everything here. So to add a website to this side, you see here, then you come to add a website or add here, and here you enter your domain name here, and they will give you an code that you go to your database or the theme of your website and enter it here. So go there, then you enter that link here to be able to add it, your website, to it. We have connect us, lead access, and we have billing and payment. Tap on that one or hit on that one, and it will take you to this side to add a billing and payment. In case you want to run an ads and you won't want to go to the ads manager and be adding a billing and payment, you can do all these tasks at one place at this side. So to add a payment, you come to this one, you choose the page that you want to use. Okay, and after you have selected the page, then you come to payment method, then you come to this side. Okay, payment method, we have add account here, that one, and I want to add a different account. I can come to this side, business, add business method and start, or add payment method. You see what, add payment method, I just hit on add payment method, then I come to choose the payment method that I want to use. If I want to use a card, I just hit on next, then enter my card number, the code and stuff, then I hit on save to save it. That's the easier way to add payment method. And if you come back here, we have new pages, partnership, add partnership and stuff. You can do all these stuff at one place. Okay, business asset. So the business asset, all the business assets that you have. So I have this one, I have this one, this is my WhatsApp. So if I want to check the analysis of this one, I'll just choose them and check for what is going on. We have the authorization and the verification here, that you can use that one to request for, and then we have the business manager here also, you can check it out. We have the add account setting and other stuff, so that we can use it or check it out. So now let's check out the e-commerce or the commerce section here. So now you can sell on Facebook and Instagram at one place. That's what it is, comment section. If you come here and you want to set up or post something that you are selling on, you can use this section to do that. And we have the other stuff also here that can also help you here out. Okay, so you can check it all. So it's a full house that contain everything. So wherever that you go, you will see everything. So if I click on get started, I'll come to this one. I set up my catalog or create a new catalog for my shop. Get started, I'll just post my content and select which page that I want to post it. If I want it to be on only Facebook, I'll just choose Facebook. Both of the platform, I'll just choose both Facebook and Instagram, and my content or my product will be shown to anyone who is eligible or who search for such content, right? And one thing that I left or I didn't talk about is if you check at the top here, you see business portfolio info. If I hit on that one, you will see here I have my business portfolio here. I have my page here. I can edit it here. I have legal business name. All these stuff I can edit it. My website also here, and business number and business verification on verify. I can view that one and do other things that can help my business out here. Two-factor authentication, I can do that one. Page notification and stuff. So that one also is cool for your business that you can use it out there, right? So now let's get back to our page again. So this is our page in Meta Business Suite. So let's look at how we can create post using Meta Business Suite, right? If I want to create a page, a post, or create a reels or any other stuff, I'll just hit on create. So to create a post using Meta Business Suite, you see this dashboard, right? So here you're going to choose the kind of content that you want to post. Photo, you can choose where you want to get that photo from, or you can choose a video where you want to use that video, create video from your image, okay, or you can create your own video, or you can use the template here to create your own post. And we have the text section here where you can write about your post, and we have the collaborate, okay. Here you can add someone to this post so that the person also can post it on his or her page, okay, or you just add a thumbnail or keywords to your post here that will help you. And you can schedule your post. If I choose on schedule, I can schedule my post, choose when to post or when my post should go live and stuff. I can schedule that one here, and you can choose whether you want your post live or go to public at that moment, or you can choose a special or schedule your post and post it when you are ready for it, okay. So you can choose and which people to see your post. If you choose what restricted, which people to see your post, anyone, or you choose an age restriction for age people who need to see your post here. So most people don't check on all those stars and they start posting other stars on Facebook. That's why Facebook policy always what take people account or talks about people account, saying they are not ready to be what to access the monetization platform, okay. So that one is how you can create a post on Meta Business Suite. Let's say I want to add this video here. I hit on the video, then I hit on the open. This is the video. I can write a text about the video. When I scroll down, add the title, I'll write the title of the video, okay. And the description is very important. So let's say I want to write this description, okay. So when I write this as my description, you see that one is showing here. So when I come to the title and write, so you see you will not see my title, the title that I gave, you will not see the title here. Meaning when someone is scrolling, the person will not see my title here, but the title is also important that you need to make sure you include the title. But it will not show here, but your description will show here, say, hey, watch out. So on Meta Business, you need to know where to type your description, the most important word that you want people to see. You need to make sure you type that one also, that one here. We have the thumbnail here, very important point here. So I can add a thumbnail. If it is, I choose to add a thumbnail, then I go to upload, go to my PC, and then find any thumbnail that I want to use, okay. So let's say I want to use a thumbnail, and let's say I want to use this thumbnail, okay, and I hit on it. So this thumbnail is what will be what shown without this one. This one will not show it again. So this one is where people will first see it before they can access the video. So it's a convention words that a picture or image that we use to attract viewers to our video. That's what we call thumbnail. And you can create them using Canva or using any other tools that we can use to do video edit, picture editing or graphic design and stuff. And here you can include any tags words or keywords that you want to use to rank your video. You can include those words here. After you have done, then you hit on it. When you come to the share section, they will ask you where to we want your videos to be shown here, or you can add a playlist or track it. If it is for fundraising, you can include the fundraising and include other stars here. Okay, and we have everything set up. Then you hit on next to post your content on Facebook. Okay, now let's look at the insight on Facebook. When I click on insight here, let me close this one. When I click on insight here, you see we have the first one says content. We have the planner, results, audience, leads, messaging, and match marking, and the stars overview and stuff. So when I come to the overview here, it shows me my content, how my content is. This is the reach here. This is the play per seconds, the number of seconds someone has played my video, then the play per minute, the number of minutes that people played my video. When they click on the video, the amount of minutes that you take to watch the video, minute view here, you can see that one, and content interaction also you can see that one. And we have click on see more here. It will take me to where I can use this one to track when my video was people watch or see my content. Okay, so if I check this one, you see here reach 200 from organic 220 and from us. Okay, so you see all the stars at this bottom here, and we can check on the content here. That is what showing at here. Okay, you will see the content and their title, date you publish, their distributors or distribution, minute view and stuff. So let's wait for it and see what next. Okay, so this is my content here. You will see them here. Okay, and minute view and stars. So when I scroll down, you will see a lot of stars, most of the content, and you can use this one to check on see what is here. Okay, the average view, the impression, reach, and all these stuff. You can check it out on the inside. So using a business page is very important because it helps you know what is going on. Okay, and you can check on the media type, the type of media. Let's say I want to check on only videos. I'll choose on video. I will see all the videos that I posted here, and if it is link, I will see the link here. Okay, so that is for the videos and stuff. Okay, and we have this one also here. We have the filter. You can filter and know what is the placement and stuff, and you can search for the video that you want to see the stars and the other stars on there. The plan is used to plan or on something that you want to do or your goal for the week or for the month. Okay, so you plan for your goal, what you want to achieve on that moment, on that month or on that week. So you can use the planner to check on that one. We have the results also here. So the results give you the reach or what is going on, and those red sign that you see here, I will talk about that later. And we have the audience, talks about the people that you have your video or the people that is following your video. So here we have the trend here, and we have the demographic where they are living or the country they are living from. So when I choose on demographic, you will see my total followers that I have on my Facebook page. You will see my gender, the ages and the gender here. So 18 to 25, 24, 25 to 34. We have the 34, and we have the male and female too. So if you check here, you will see the male and female. Okay, the total of male, the total of female, and we have a lot of, so that tells you how your content is all about, or your page is all about. And top cities, that is what following the page or where my content is being shown. The two top cities, we have the mountains and stars, Pakistan, that's Pakistan, Bangladesh, Egypt, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and then we have what Pakistan, Nigeria, Bangladesh, Egypt, and stuff. So it tells me where my videos or my audience are from, and potential audience also is here. You can check out your gender. Okay, so this color tells you what is going on. So if you look at the this deep the orange, deep yellow orange, you see the men, and this one is for the women. Okay, and you see the top cities. We have Accra, Kumasi, and the top cities. That's what um on your page. Okay, okay, so you can check on those distance and know what is going on your page. And we have this one also here that you can check it out and see other stars here. And the monetization, you see I have the view and stars. Let me go to the view monetization. I have the in stream and I've not met the criteria here. So let me see the criteria before I can be able to get the in stream and grow your audience. I've not reached the audience, the total number of audience I've not reached. And create engaging content and stars. Okay, so 60 days view, I've not reached anywhere. And build your video library, that one I've created more than 5 videos and stars. Okay, I've not reached that one too. Okay, so I cannot monetize my page. So the requirements are here. Okay, and I've not reached that requirement to be able to. And we have the stars here. Okay, so I can make money with the stars. I can copy the stars and send it to people. When they click on it, they can go to the stores and buy me stars or send me stars. Okay, and we have the planned content, meaning I can collaborate with brands and create ads for them. Anytime I create a post on my I can advertise on their product and they will pay me for doing that. Okay, so now let's look at the Facebook algorithm. When we talk of the algorithm, it talks about how the system or the platform pick content and use that content, or pick the content or rank content on the platform. So if you check on YouTube, firstly YouTube are using SEO. So YouTube check for your the kind of keyword that you are include, and they take that one to rank your video. Now things have changed, they are not using that one. And YouTube also look at people who come to your page and watch your videos, how they are watching your videos, the number of hours, the number of minutes they spend, the number of likes, the number of comments that is coming. So when they see that one, they think that your content is more engaging, so people may like to view more or see more of your content. So that means they need to push your content to a larger audience. So that's same thing how Facebook work. When people watch your video, liking, commenting, and following your page, they find out that you are creating a good content. So you need more reach to help people find your content and be able to get access to you. So when we talk of the algorithm, that is how it works. So for Facebook, for you to be able to be rank your content on Facebook and get more view and stuff, you need to make sure you create engaging content that people will be able to engaging with you, messaging you and stuff. So that's why mostly you see that people may put in content that make someone react to that content. Okay, so now we have noted everything about the Meta business and we have created our content as a business. You need to make sure you get a lot of people to your page, and to do that you can run ads for it. That means we are jumping to how to create and run ads or set up an ads on Facebook. To do that, on Meta business site, you go to all tools here. To create an ads, we have the ads manager tool that we are going to use. You can access that one by just typing on ads manager. If I type on ads manager, so when I hit on ads manager, I can access that one straightforward on ads manager. Okay, so this is the ads manager. If I want to use an ads manager without passing through the Meta business suite, you can use that one here, or you can come to the Meta business suite here and go to all tools here. Okay, on all tools, you see we have Ads Manager here. When I hit on that one, it will take me there. Okay, because I've added my pages and other stuff on it, it will just take me through the dashboard on Metal Business Suite. But if you haven't added your page, you see this one and they will ask you to log in. Logging in, you need your Facebook details, criteria to log into this site. And if you log into the site, I hit on login here or get start here. It will ask me my Facebook details to be able to log me in. Before I have already logged in, I'll just hit on my name here, my account that I want to use to log into the Metal Business Suite. So this is the Metal Business Suite here. And Metal Business Suite also is a full package that contains all our ads content. Okay, so Metal Business is a home that we use to create ads for our, or we use to set up a campaign. Okay, so for you to be able to set up a campaign on a Facebook, you need to make sure you log into the Metal Business Suite. So when I come here, and if you check here, this is my page that I want to use. Okay, so this is my page that I can use. We have this one, the account overview. When I click on that one, it tells me if I've already created an ad, or when you first open the Metal Business Suite, this is what you will see on your account. Okay, campaign trend, create and stuff. So this is what the first thing that you see. You see this one, that's the overview, and we have the campaign here. When I click on the campaign, and if I've created an app as here, you will see my ads here. Okay, and you see how my ads is ranking, or the inside, or the analytics of my ads here. Okay, and we have this one too here. Ads report 2 will report, tell you everything about your ads. We have the audience, we have the billing and payment too. Okay, so I've not created any ads, there's no report for me here. Okay, and we have the audience. Let's hit on the audience. So the audience talks about the ads that you created, the kind of people who see your audience, or your audience that you have set up, so that anytime that you want to create an ad, your ads will go straight to them. So I'll get this tutorial for you, and the meantime, that's why you need to subscribe to this channel. And we have the billing and payment section also here. If you want to run an ad, you need to also you add a billing and payment, or you add a payment method for Facebook to use it to bill you on the ads that you have created. And I have a video on that one. You can check it out, how to add billing or how to add a payment method. And to do that one is a straightforward method. Come to the payment method, come to add payment, and choose the kind of card that you want to use. And if you are in a country whereby most of the cards are not acceptable, I recommend a card for you that I have a video. You can check it out, or I'll put the link in the description. You can get that, a full virtual dollar card that you can use on Facebook to run your ads. And we have the advertising setup. When I hit on that one, okay, when you click on that one, it takes you to this one. So you are going to set up your adverts, or before you can run ad, you need to make sure you set up a portfolio that you contain everything about your ad. So you can set that one here to be able to have full control of it. And we have the all tools here. Okay, and these all tools also can help you to go back to Metal Business Suite, but this one we are just here for the Ads Manager. Okay, and to run an ads, let's come to this side. Okay, to run an ads on a Metal Business Suite, we have this two section here. Let's say I'm on the overview, and on overview, and I want to create an ads or set up my ads. I need to make sure I come to create an ads or create a trend. So to create an ads, I come to this side, and when you come to this side, we have create ads here and we have create ads here. Okay, so you can use both of this one to create an ads. So when I click on create here, this is the first window that you will see, and we have the first one. We have create a new ad, new campaign. We have the auction here. When I click on that one, you can choose on reservation. This one, there's no need for you to change it to use the option. Okay, so I will choose the option, and this is the objectives. Before you set up or create an ads, you need to make sure you know your reason for creating the ads. Don't just rise up and say, I want to create an ad. So they are asking you your reason for creating an ad, and for the most of the reason here, we have six questions or says as objectives on Facebook that Facebook is asking you, which one do you prefer or do you want to use? The first one, we have awareness. Awareness mostly for people or companies or apps or website that someone have created and want people to see that this thing also exists. So Facebook will promote that one to a larger audience for people to see that they have that one also there, that they can check it out. Okay. And if you want to promote your page, you can use the awareness to promote your page so that people can subscribe or like your page and to follow your page. Okay, so you can use that one. And we have traffic. Traffic mostly is for website or landing page or other stuff that you can use the traffic, send people to that landing page or that website for them to see or read some articles and stuff. And we have engagement. If you want comment, likes and stars, can use the engagement, mostly pages and stars. Okay, if you have created a video, you want people to more view on your video, you can use the engagement section. And then we have the leads. Leads means you are collecting people's number, their email address, their name and stuff, and promote their your product or service to them. And we have the apps promoting any apps, or you have created an app you want download and stuff, you can choose the promotion. And we have the sales, mostly used for people who run Shopify app or e-commerce platforms that use the sales section, so that they will come to your platform and what come to your platform and buy from you. Mostly the most important one that most people use, they use the leads and they use the sales. So mostly we normally use the leads and the sales. Now more people want followers and likes, so they have started using the engagement section. And websites also are now using the traffic one also. But for this one, we are going to use the leads. Okay. And for the leads, when I hit on that one, anytime you are running an ads, Facebook will show you the next step is called recommended setup, meaning Facebook have a playlist or they have a template that they are set up for you automatically. This one will work for you. Facebook is thinking that when you choose that one, they will know how to run your ads automatically for you. That will work for you. But for the right ads to set up, make sure you choose a manual so that you can have a full control of your ads. So I choose manual and I come and choose on content. Then it will take me to this one. The first one is what the list, the campaign name, the campaign that you are creating. You create a name for it to be able to, for you to be able to identify campaigns that you have created. And we have the category here. You can choose a category for your campaign. Okay, any other stuff you can choose it. And you can choose the location. So for this location, it's just normal location where you are starting or you are creating your ads for the location. Just leave it. They have set up your own location for you, so just leave your location for there. So I'll choose my own location, and we have the option here. We have set up that one. Okay, and then our objectives is for list, and hit on see more. There's no need for you to do anything here. And we have the placement and budget. You can set that one here, or you can leave that one and set it at the other stars here. Okay, at the other stars here. And one thing that I didn't show you, when creating ads on Facebook, there are 3 steps that you need to go through. The first one is this one that we are doing, and the next one is the ad set, and the last one is the ad dashboard where your creative need to show up. Okay, come here, you can set up your budget or leave it and set it at this point. I can set up my budget, the amount of money that I want to use, Do you want a daily budget? Okay, so every day the amount of money you want them to use to spend on your ads, you can choose that one here. Come to this side, okay, make it that one, choose it highest volume and scroll down and increase your budget during a specific time of period. If you want a specific time that you want them to increase your budget, you can set that one here. A/B testing. If you are in this one, A/B testing, we use it to test for new ad creative. Let's say I'm creating an ad for a laptop. I'm selling a laptop. I can choose different tests to test for the one which is running or which is trending or ranking for my for that campaign that I'm setting. Okay, so when I choose that one, and after I choose a period that that asks me to run for, let's say 3 days, I set up three. After the end of it, then you see that the one which is what running best for you, then you add more money to it to be able to what run for you. After you have done with that one, then you come to hit on next. So the A/B test, I'll create another video that will talk much more about that one too. So this side, then you can set up the name again, and you come here, convention location. So you are running an ads, that is for lead generation, taking people content and stuff. So they're asking you, where do you want them to land, or if you do you have a platform that you want to take them to, or do you have any form that you have there that you want them to fill? Okay, we have instant form. You can create that one on Facebook or for the instant form. Instant form and message we have in so where do you want the people to land? That's what this side. Okay, so let's say I choose website and I come to this side maximum, I just leave that one. Then if you have a puzzle so like running Shopify, you have a Shopify and stuff, you can set that one here. And we have more here, you check that one. Okay, that one. Also attribution, click and stars, just leave that one. And we have dynamic creative. Okay, so this one, let's leave that one. Come to here too, you can set up your budget here, and here you set up the day that you want your ads to start running and the end date. Also you can set that one here. And we have the ad spend, that one you can leave it. And we have your audience. Do you want a new audience, or you have already run an ads and you have an audience that you have saved that one for it? So on audience is very important, because most people are running an ads that they don't choose a right audience, so their ads are being showing somewhere and their money are, or they are wasting their money on it. So let's say I'm running ads for Ghana and I'm choosing my audience from Ghana. I'll choose Ghana. So I don't have a new audience, sorry. So this side I'll choose a new audience, meaning I want a new audience. If I already have a safe audience, I'll choose this one and search for that one here. For this one, I'll choose a new audience. The location, that's my location. And I have my ages here. And the location, you can change the location here. Okay. So let's say I want my ads to run in a new location like Nigeria. I'll come to this search section and I choose Nigeria, ads to run on Nigeria. Okay, so I'll choose Nigeria. And for Nigeria, let's say I want Lagos, I can, or Ibadan. So let's say I choose Ibadan here. My ads will show on, so I will need to make sure. Okay, and you search for, let's say I search for Nigeria, browse and choose for Nigeria. So I choose this one, Nigeria. Okay, so this is Nigeria. Then you come to this side and you set up your age. Okay, your age limit. You can set up your age limit, the gender to the language. You can set up the language, choose the kind of language that you want to use. And we have the placement here. You hit on this side. Where do you want your ads to set up or to show? So I'll choose a manual and set up my own placement. So this I say Facebook and audience network. We have Instagram, so I don't want Instagram and I don't want Messenger. I'll just edit this one or check this one. And where do you want it to show? So Instagram, in-stream ads, okay, and other stuff, okay. So after you have done with it and everything is perfect for you, and we have specific device also. You can choose that one. If you want mobile, you set up this one, then you choose mobile and other stuff, and we have the brands and stuff. After you have done with it, then you hit on next. So next you go to the last part of this campaign. So which platform that you want to use. If you want to use the page that you want to use, so you choose the page here, okay, and you come to this site. I don't have Instagram, I'll just leave it, and creative device, or I'll just leave this one, and the manual, that's what the creative source I want to do is manual. And we have the format. So the format is where you're going to choose. If you want to use image, only image, you choose the image section, or image and video, that's for one video or one image or one flyer or poster that you want to use. We have the carousels, 2 or more of the image or the videos that you want to use, and the collection too, you can choose. So I'll choose single image. Then I come here, then I will include the website URL that I want people, when they click on it, it will take them to, okay, I will choose that one. Then the media source, you choose either image or what do you want to use. So if I want to use an image, I'll just hit on image, go to my device, and then add upload. Then I add any image that I want to use here, okay, then I will use it. Or you already have and you already run an ads and you want to use that image, you can choose that image. So when I choose that one and I hit on next, so this is where my ads will show on InStream and the feed and other stars, okay. I can crop it and set it well, right? You can do all the stars. I'll create a video on that one, okay, a full ads video that will help you run an ad from A to Z, okay. So wait for that video. I hit on this side, then it will show me the overview of everything, how it will show, how it will display and stuff. So this is how it will show, okay. So this is how it will show, okay. And I can add a filter.
Laptop. I'm selling a laptop.
Then I hit on done.
Choose different tests.
So this is the very important thing,
test
that
for the one which is ranking or running, or
then here
running, or which is trending or ranking for my
next one is
for that campaign that I'm setting,
or the headline.
So when I choose that one,
description,
and
you
after
can use AI,
choose a period that
asks
me to run for, let's say, 3 days. I set up 3
for you.
So after the end of it, then you see that the one which is what running best for you, then you add more money to it
very important
to be able to run for you. After you have done with that one, then you come to see on this. So the A/B test, I will create another video that will talk much more about that one. So this side, you can set up your name again, and you come here, convention location. So you are running an as that is for lead generation, taking people content and stuff. So they're asking you, where do you want them to land, or if you have a platform that you want to take them to, or do you have any form that you have that you want them to fill. Okay, we have instant form. You can create that one on Facebook or for the instant form. And instant form and message, we have here. So where do you want the people to land? That's what this side, okay. So this is I choose website, and come to this side, maximum, just leave that one. Then if you have puzzles like running Shopify, you have a Shopify or stuff, you can set that one here.
You have bring your ads live, or see your ads live, that Facebook.
Okay, that one, people attribution, click and stuff, just leave that one. And we have dynamic creative,
or deducting the money from you.
Okay, so this one, let's leave that one. Come to here, here too, you can set up your budget here, and here you set up the day that you want your ads to start running, and the end date, so you can set that one here. And we have the ad spend, that one you can leave it. And we have your audience. Do you want a new audience, or you have already run an ads and you have an audience that you have saved that one for it? So on audience is very important, because most people are running an ads that they don't choose a right audience, so their ads are being shown somewhere, and their money or they are wasting their money on it. So let's say I'm running ads for Ghana, and I'm choosing my audience from Ghana. I'll choose Ghana. So I don't have a new audience, sorry. So this side I'll choose a new audience, meaning I want a new audience. If I already have a safe audience, I'll choose this one and search for that.
all these stuff here.
For this one, I'll choose a new audience. The location, that's my location, and I have my ages here, and the location, you can change the location here. Okay, so let's say I want my ads to run in a new location like Nigeria. I'll come to this search section and I choose Nigeria ads to run on Nigeria. Okay, so I'll choose Nigeria.
See you in the.
And for Nigeria, let's say I want Lagos, I can, or Ibadan. So let's say I choose Ibadan. Here, my ads will show on. So I will need to make sure, okay, and you search for, let's say I search for Nigeria, browse and choose for Nigeria. So I choose this one, Nigeria. Okay, so this is Nigeria. Then you come to this side and you set up your age. Okay, your age limit. You can set up your age limit, the gender to the language. You can set up the language, choose the kind of language that you want to use, and we have the placement here. You hit on this side. Where do you want your ads to set up or to show? So I'll choose a manual and set up my own placement. So this I say Facebook and audience network. We have Instagram, so I don't want Instagram and I don't want Messenger. I'll just edit this one or check this one. And where do you want it to show? So Instagram, in-stream ads, okay, and other stuff, okay. So after you have done with it and everything is perfect for you, and we have specific device also, you can choose that one. If you want mobile, you set up this one, then you choose mobile and other stuff, and we have the brands and stuff. After you have done with it, then you hit on next. So next you go to the last part of this campaign. So which platform that you want to use. If you want to use the page that you want to use, so choose the page here, if device, or I'll just leave this one. And the manual, that's your the creative source. I want to do is manual, and we have the format. So the format is where you're going to choose. If you want to use image, only image, you choose the image section, or image and video, that's for one video or one image or one flyer or poster that you want to use. We have the carousels, 2 or more of the image or the videos that you want to use, and the collection too, you can choose. So I'll choose single image. Then I come here, then I will include the website URL that I want people, when they click on it, it will take them to. Okay, I will choose that one. Then the media source, you choose either image or what do you want to use. So if I want to use an image, I'll just hit on image, go to my device, and then add, upload. Then I add any image that I want to use here. Okay, then I will use it. Or you already have and you already run an ad and you want to use that image, you can choose that image. So when I choose that one and I hit on next, so this is where my ads will show on in-stream and the feed and other stars. Okay, I can crop it and set it well. All right, you can do all the stars. I'll create a video on that one. Okay, a full ads video that will help you run an ad from A to Z. Okay, so wait for that video. I hit on this side, then it will show me the overview of everything, how it will show, how it will display and stuff. So this is how it will show. Okay, so this is how it will show.